English with Rob, zombie cookies.
Today I'm going to make some cookies. As you can see, I have a lot of different ingredients. I have chocolate, cashew nuts, cranberries, eggs, peanut butter, maple syrup, coconut syrup, all-purpose flour, sugar, some butter, baking soda, some aluminum foil, and I have some mixing bowls. And I shouldn't forget the mixing cups. And last but not least, the oatmeal, because they're going to be oatmeal cookies. Put 500 grams of flour in a mixing bowl. I put 2.5 cups of brown sugar in the flour. Then I add 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda. Finally, I add the oatmeal. It's just about 1 cup. I stir the ingredients until they look like so. Next, I make a hole in the center so that I can put the next part of the ingredients in the center. As you can see, I decided to add 3 eggs. Next, I'll add some melted butter, which I just melted in the microwave. It's about 200 grams. I used a wooden spoon to mix the ingredients together, and that's cookie dough, the basis of your cookie dough for your cookies. Here I've taken some peanut butter and mixed in some butter. It's about 1 cup of peanut butter and about 20 grams of butter. I have the same mixture from the first batch of cookies that I've made here, and I'm going to do something a little bit different with it. I used a balloon whisk to make sure that everything was homogeneous. Next, I made a hole with the wooden spoon for the eggs and the peanut butter mix. Then I added peanut butter and butter. Again, I used a wooden spoon mixing these ingredients. We add 1/2 cup of maple syrup. So now we have 2 batches of dough ready to be made into cookies. But before, coconut would be alright with peanut butter, but the peanut butter has a strong enough flavor. And the butter is kind of bland without any extra flavor. Most people use vanilla. I like to use coconut. I'll just dump some right in. We covered our cookie sheet with a sheet of aluminum foil. We put 7 peanut butter oatmeal cookies on the top, and put 7 butter oatmeal cookies on the bottom. Use chocolate and some cranberries to make a face on the butter oatmeal cookies, and we used cashew nuts and a piece of chocolate to make faces on the peanut butter cookies. We preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We set the oven for 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to cook the cookies for 11 minutes. And that's our end result. They need to cool a little bit, but these are going to be great cookies. I'll show one more video of them once they're cool. This is our final product. Cookies with kind of zombie faces. Hope you enjoyed our English lesson that was about cooking.